Hello, and today Charlotte's with me as we have a crack at a ripper.
Yeah, one I've been looking at for a while.
Yes.
I love it.
From Brazil, a Chinense, the Adalberto Habanero.
And for a long time it has like potted up down here and started potting up
the top.
And it's like
clusters.
Yeah.
They grow in little clusters everywhere.
Yeah, and they really look really good.
Weird shaped pods, about 4 centimeters long, a couple of centimeters wide.
I think I'm going to have a really orangey one.
Have a really orangey one. Start off green, turn orange.
And they have a cool shape.
Plant.
Like,
how big is it? 60, 70 centimeters. But yeah, the bizarre thing with these is they just grow in clusters.
Yeah,
all over the plant.
Like,
So awesome. A Chinense from Brazil.
Yeah.
So shall we?
Yes, we shall.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Adalberto Habanero.
Color, how amazing is that?
Fruity.
Yeah. And now bitter.
Habanero-y.
Yeah. The first it was really light fruity, and then it changed the flavour.
A bit citrusy now. With a bit of a tang.
Yeah.
I'm going to sneeze. Oh. What a great flavour.
Yeah.
Heat. I get a bit up the back of my nose when I sneeze. So,
Oh dear.
oh. Back of the throat, it's on the tongue. Back of the sort of the mouth burn. Not too hectic. You getting a bit of a burn there?
No? Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Huh?
It's hot.
Hot?
But I just took, I'm not into eating a whole pot, but I start like from the bottom and just ate up
It's
sideways
building.
and it's really building up.
It's building now, yeah. It wasn't doing much with me. I could like feel it there, but it wasn't doing much. But then, just when you said that it's building, it's now started to build and pick up.
Yeah.
Mainly at the back of the throat, back palate, and that bit that went up the back of my nose is caning a bit too. Now it's moving a bit forward around the cheeks.
Oh God.
But that flavour, I love that flavour.
Yeah.
It's sort of fruity, a bit habanero-y. Then it becomes a bit citrusy, soury after that. Now it's just dropped to a light hab kind of flavour throughout the mouth.
Well, the heat hasn't dropped. It's just, oh, I feel like I've dipped my tongue in a...
Yeah. I'm finding it just around hab heat, a bit under hab heat, but it affects different people in different ways, I suppose. You got a hot one.
I got the hottest one in the plant.
But
Oh, God,
seriously, great looking plant, because yeah, I love the way they cluster up. Ooh. And that flavour, love it. I like the fruity-ish. Not a big fan of citrusy, but this is more fruity.
Yeah, try this.
Yep.
This bit was hot.
That was nearly sort of apple-ish like. But great flavour, and as you can see it's got a decent bit of heat to it. Even though it says it's only like 60,000 to 100,000 SHU, I think it could be a bit more.
I think the Australian sun does a lot to the pods.
Yeah.
They're getting an awful lot of sun down here.
It's peaked, and it's plateauing out. The burn's sort of moving a bit forward. It's still mainly on the back of the throat and around the back area of the mouth, but can feel it on the tongue and inside the cheeks.
Well, if this has been a cartoon, I would have like smoke coming out of my ears and my nose. And to me, it's very, very hot.
The weird thing about this one is normally when you talk and breathe, you get that burn and you can feel it. With this one, when you stop talking and don't breathe, that's when it's burning.
Okay, then I have to talk a lot, but to me it just hurts.
It just hurts.
It's just,
Well, it's not doing anything while I'm talking. I can sort of feel it there, but it's just when I go quiet, then I can feel it.
Yeah,
So
I can
that's
feel it too.
pretty unusual. Well, there
And
you
when
have
I'm
it.
drooling a lot and my nose is running, it's like
Yeah,
hot.
yeah, my nose is starting to run. Now I can feel it burning. It's moved all the way forward, and now my lips have caught up to the burn on my tongue. It sort of started at the back, gone all the way forward, and now it's just cruising along at a pleasant level.
Not so pleasant for me yet, but I'll get there.
Okay.
So what would you use this chili for?
Again, this could be used for anything
Yeah, exactly.
because it's got a nice sort of fruity,
You could
fruity,
actually
citrusy.
chop it up and cook with it. That would probably increase the heat a bit, but it wouldn't overpower the dish.
No, and it doesn't have that earthy habanero flavour. It's sort of more nicer.
And you could chop it up and put on top of like light sprinkle on your food.
Yeah,
And I could actually imagine
on
fish.
cheese, fish.
Fish too. I know you're not fish eater, but I love fish.
I reckon that'd go great sliced on some cheese as well.
Yeah.
Cheese and crackers. But yeah, I can mainly now feel it on my tongue and my lips.
Yeah.
So we'll give it a few minutes, see how the burn goes.
Hopefully it will drop
Yeah.
because my mouth is on fire.
I actually like this. It's just sitting there, and it's sort of deep and pleasant, you could say. I like it. A bit of drool happening, and I think I may have to blow my nose. It's starting to run. All right, well that's the Adalberto Habanero from Brazil.
Yeah.
All right, catch us in a few minutes. Hello, and we're back 5 minutes later with the Adalberto Habanero.
Yes.
Thought it was a
From
bit hot?
Brazil. I think it's hot.
Yeah.
My mouth is still burning. My tongue is like, I dipped it in a deep fryer.
Deep fry, yeah.
But
I've got the front of the tongue happening and inside my lips are still burning.
Yeah.
Back of the throat settled down and
Settled down,
the
yeah.
back section settled down. But yeah, it's weird. It was like all at the back, moved forward. Now it's all burning at the front, and yeah, inside my lips, my gums, and the front of my tongue are still burning at a decent level. It dropped a bit, but yeah, you can still feel it.
yeah.
It's a
Nice
ripper
flavour.
of a little one. Yes, very. And great looking plant, like the clustering. The clustering of pods on this plant is amazing.
It is indeed.
Yeah. But you have to see it for yourself. Like
Yeah.
at the start when we first got it and picked all the pods, all the bottom had
Yeah,
lots of little clusters everywhere.
Clusters in the bottom, and
Now we're
it's
getting
like-
late in the season and getting towards the end. Yeah. Now it's got lots of clusters and that up around the top. Very cool
But it's
looking.
still full of flowers, so
different-
I hope it will have a lot more
Yeah,
pods.
definitely. But I like the burn on that.
Yeah, and the flavour?
Flavour.
And the look. Look how cool they look.
And
And
cool
it's-
looking pods.
See, it's like almost like a plant full of little lanterns.
Yes.
Orange lanterns, like.
Yeah.
I know it's not that, but you should say how it looked.
But it's still got some zing, like, because I can feel I just put the
Yeah.
tongue on the roof of my mouth then and it just went. So, yeah, deceivingly hot,
Yeah.
but a nice burn. The Adalberto Habanero, or Habanero Adalberto, whichever way you want to say it,
And I would say that would be one of my new favorites
Yeah.
in 2016.
Awesome.
You always get new favorites every year, like I love this one, and then
Yeah, I like it
try
too. I
it.
think they look really cool.
yeah,
Like a little arrowhead.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well, thanks everyone for watching, and yeah, grab the Adalberto Habanero.
It will
We've
be
got it
available soon.
soon. Yeah. Alright, well, thanks babe for joining in.
You are welcome.
Yeah. And thanks everyone for watching.
Catch you later.